Hi, I'm Belinda Carli, the Director of the Institute of Personal Care Science, and I'm going to show you a really innovative formula today. I'm going to be making a powder to clay mask to foaming cleanser. First, let me show you the product and then I'll show you how to put it together. This is the product we're going to be making here. So it starts off as a powder, and with a little bit of water we can turn it into a mask. And with some more water, it will turn into a foam cleanser. And in this way, the product provides a really deep cleanse and then washes away easily when the consumer's finished with their mask and cleansing routine. Now, it's actually super simple to put this formula together with the right materials. Just remember, if you need help sourcing any materials, you can go to our small suppliers page, or you can join our Cosmetic Raw Materials for Small Brands Facebook group and split packs of these materials with others near you. So first I have here my cornstarch. To this I'm just going to add some pink clay. You could add some calamine if you wanted at this step. I'm also going to add some Amylite GCS 11. You could use another powdered foaming surfactant here if you like. This is another really important material so that we can get that foamy finish. And then I'm going to add some xanthan gum. The xanthan gum is really important too, so that when the product is wet, it forms that nice mask coverage rather than just slipping off the skin. Now I'm just going to mix these together. And then I'm just going to add my liquid ingredients. So I've got some vitamin E, and this is for product story, also helps protect the essential oil from oxidation. I've got some essential oil. I've got some herbal extract. And I have some plant oil. And again, this is really for product story. Now in larger batches, you would spray this on and then mix it in a ribbon blender. So I'm just going to mix this together. And just make sure it's perfectly smooth without any clumps or liquid spots before packing off. And that's really all there is to it. We use the cornstarch, or you could use another starch to help with the flow. We use the xanthan gum to help it apply to the skin and stay together in its mask form. We of course have the powdered surfactant for that foamy finish, and of course we've got the clay, or you could substitute it for calamine to provide the masking effect. I've added small amounts of extracts, essential oils, vitamin E, and an essential oil purely for marketing and to please the consumer. So that's how to make this amazing transformative texture. Remember, you can join our Cosmetic Raw Materials for Small Brands Facebook group to access some of these materials if your suppliers don't normally carry them. Please give the video a thumbs up. Please leave any questions or comments below, and make sure you subscribe to receive notifications about all our videos. Happy formulating!